So last year, I made this video. That's for those na palaging nare-reject sa mga loan apps like Belize, ReviCredit, Salmon Credit. Well, it's time for an upgrade. Dahil tatlo sa mga apps na yun ay dapat nang palitan, guys. Definitely, Eki sa kay Cash Express. No rin sa kay Peso Ready and si Digido. The last time I checked, revoke na yan. Ito po yung mga ipapalit natin. So if you wanna learn more, then keep watching. Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. It's Ate Red here. And in today's video, hindi po siya sponsored. It is based on my personal experience. Yung bagbanggitin ko mga loan apps, nasubukan ko po sila and so far okay po yung ating experience dito, no? Last year, as mentioned kanina sa intro, gumawa po ako ng video para sa mga palaging nare-reject sa mga
Credit card, sa Belize, sa Home Credit, sa Salmon.
basically sa mga legit na mabababa yung interest. Kasi kailangan lang po natin kasi muna ayusin yung ating credit history para eventually maging approved po tayo sa mga nabanggit. Guys, mas maganda po yung list natin ngayon kasi puro sila SEC registered at okay po yung mga terms nila. Kahit na hindi mo muna sila bitawan, pang emergency, ay okay na okay. At mas okay yung mga loan apps na to as pang emergency kaysa naman kay Cash Express. Hindi ko po pinopromote yung mga loan apps na to. Concerned din naman ako sa mga nagsasabing palaging reject. So you can start with this SEC registered loan apps. Before we go to that list, if you're not yet subscribed, subscribe to my channel because dito wala tayong pinopromote na ola. Yung pinopromote natin is being careful kung saan tayo nagsasabit ng ating information. Tara, let's na! Loan up number 1, itong si One Hand. Dati, when I made that video, up to 25,000 ng pesos ang push. Ngayon guys, 2025, si One Hand ay pwede nang magpahiram ng up to 50,000 pesos and up to 9 months. Kung 1 month lang yung ino-offer sa'yo, expect ka na nasa 14 something yung interest na babayaran mo. Pero pag tumatagal yung term mo, bumababa rin yung interest. Of course, the sooner you pay your loan, the better. Hindi po siya makulit at meron po siyang customer service that's available 7 days a week at tao talaga yung makakausap mo just in case you need help. Tumawag lang sa hotline nila. Generally, easy po ma-approve. All you need to do is just download the app from Google Play Store or iOS and submit one valid ID. Yung mga valid IDs na tinatanggap niya, meron po siyang mga recommended na valid IDs. Pero kung wala ka doon, pwede ka rin mag-submit ng mga ganitong mga IDs. And hindi mo kailangan mag-submit ng payslip kung okay yung wala kang mga sablay sa borrowing history mo. Normally, na-approve ka naman. All applications are subject to credit assessment. Kung reject ka ngayon, at verify ko talaga to sa kanila na may pag-asa pa rin makabili. Buong-buo po yung loan na matatanggap. If you wanna see a full video about One Hand, I have so many videos. You can check this latest one and let's proceed to loan up number 2. And that is Tala. Unfortunately, si Tala ay sa Android lang po. Wala po siya sa iOS. Full disclosure, ayaw na akong pautangin ni Tala ngayon. But I still suggest Tala because nung nagka-pandemic, nagkaroon ako ng problem with Tala and it took a while bago ako nakabayad. Never po akong nakatanggap ng harassment dito kay Tala. So, super bait, super makatao po si Tala. Meron po siyang very, very minimal na service charge. And yung daily interest niya is napakababa. You can pay Tala up to 60 days. But of course, kung gusto mo magbayad early, then makakatipid ka sa interest. Pwedeng student sa kay Tala, actually, pwede kang humiram ng up to 25,000 pesos. Pwedeng driver's license, pwedeng passport, social security system, PhilSys, UMID, voter's ID, and postal ID. And a sample computation of what you can expect kapag may loan kayo kay Tala, for example, 2,000 or 2,500 is this. Okay, tara, let's na sa loan up number 3 and that is si Happy Cash na under naman sa kay Yinshan Lending. Papa iOS man or Google Play Store ay pwede mo siyang i-download. Okay, isang valid ID lang din yung kailangan niya para mag-apply. Dito kay Happy Cash, hindi rin kailangan ng payslip at wala na rin siyang maraming tanong. But of course, mag-fill out ka ng online ng form sa app and then magsasubmit ka ng one valid ID. The maximum loan offer of 25,000 pesos. Interest na per day is 0.03. Long periods up to 6 months. And fast processing. 3 minutes lang daw yung sabi niya. Especially if established na yung account mo. But if it's your first time na mag-apply dito kay Happy Cash, expect ka na medyo matagal. Sometimes it could take up to hours bago mo malaman na approve ka man or reject. Huwag ka mag-expect na kaagad ka sa 25,000 pesos. I started with 3,000 pesos dito kay Happy Cash and nasa 1 month, at least in the 7 days. And I must warn you though, or heads up na lang, na hindi po buo matatanggap yung loan. Dahil kakaltas po siya ng service fee na 20 pesos, regardless of the amount and the tenor. Pero yun nga lang, kay Happy Cash hindi po siya makulit because 3 days before your due date, yung natanggap po sa kanya so far is just a text reminder and yung mga robocalls. Pwede rin maging installment. So, last loan ko sa kanya is 6,000. Payable na siya in 3 months. Dito kay Happy Cash, tip lang, always follow your schedule. To decrease your chances na ma-reject, it is safe to say na nasa 15% effective interest rate siya per month, which is so far okay pa rin naman. And now, let's proceed to loan app number 4. By the way, guys, I'm currently wearing contact lenses from EO. Ito po siya. Check nyo na lang si EO Optical. Nakatag yung itong contact lens dito. Siyempre, bukas na siya dahil suot ko na ngayon yung contact lens. Now, let's proceed to loan app number 4 and that's one of my favorites and that is Kashalo. Itong si Kashalo ay nagpapahiram ng maximum 13,000 pesos. One valid ID lang yung kailangan ni Kashalo. If okay po yung application mo, you can receive the funds in 2 minutes or less diretso sa e-wallet like GCash or Maya or sa bank account nyo. And dito kay Kashalo, actually, napaka-simple lang mag-apply. You just need to download the app from Google Play Store and just follow all the instructions. Submitting entity din sa CIC. So, kung good payer ka dito, tuloy-tuloy yung paggamit mo kay Kashalo or nagiging maganda yung ating credit history and it opens doors sa mga online loan apps that offer bigger terms and lower interest. But for now, okay si Kashalo pang tawid. You can start with 15 days or 14 days and maaari ka magsimula sa 1,000 or 1,500 and maximum is 13,000 pesos. Kung establish na yung account mo, you can pay it up to 45 days. Mukha siyang mataas dahil 45 days po yung binabayaran mo kasi daily po yung interest. But if you take the equivalent ng interest niya in 1 month, pasok po siya sa 15% na I think is an acceptable interest rate for non-collateral loans. Let's now proceed to the last but not the least loan platform and that is FT Lending. FT lending is a little bit tricky, but then kung naiintindihan mo naman yung terms ng loan mo, I don't think you're gonna have a problem dahil hindi po siya makulit. Pwede pong sa Google Play Store, pwede rin sa iOS, and you can borrow up to 30,000 pesos. And pwede siyang payable up. May pa-term siya, that's 15 days apart. Now, depende po kay system kung magkano yung magiging initial credit limit mo. May iba, or for example, ako, I started with 800 pesos. And ngayon, nasa 5,006 na siya. Na-notice ko na every time natatapos ko yung isang loan, tumataas naman siya. And it is not recommended na masyado kang advance magbayad dito kay FT Lending, even if revolving siya. Now, si FT Lending, pwede kang mag-multiple loans dahil kahit hindi mo pa tapos bayaran yung current loan mo, pag merong offer, pwede mo yung i-take. But I suggest don't do that because si FT Lending nasa 15% po per month. Wala po siyang kaltas. Buo po siyang matatanggap. And payable na rin siya in installments. So, yun lang guys. If meron ako nakalimutan, let me know in the comment section below. Please remember that these loan apps are just as good as how you manage it. It's like garbage in and garbage out nung computer class natin. Whatever you do to these apps, babalik rin yan sa'yo. Yung utang po sa mga ganito, it's a privilege. It's not a right. We only borrow what we can afford to pay back. That's it for today's video. I will see you on my next vlog.